Good morning everyone. We are inside our beautiful tent and it has also provision for mobiles. It's 7:30 in the morning and this is my son Krishif, his Manya. They have their own bed. So this can accommodate 2 beds and we also hang the fan and light. Hello everyone. It's an enjoyable experience. Nice weather, no sun, so it's not sunny at all.
And then we're gonna drag the boat.
So here is their first experience going for kayaking in the.
It's gonna go deep after.
Okay, so you because I'm rowing. There's water. No.
हाँ single ही बैठो. Sit single.
दिल चाहता है
Here you go. Bye. See you.
How do I turn? The other way. I want to do that. I look on my back. No one's.
दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें झूमे शामें गाए रातें मस्ती में रहे डूबा हमेशा समा हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन
Enjoying white chana masala on the camping side. I got boiled chana and I got this masala pre-cooked and just mix them easy peasy lemon squeezy and enjoying with the flavors of all masalas here at the campsite. Need a water fun also. Let's have fun. She's making her popcorns. She bought a new kit of popcorn making in the camp and here she is doing her job diligently. She is enjoying cooking her popcorns on the gas stove. So how does it work, Manya?
So you just have to shake it and you can hear the popping. And basically, like when you stop hearing popping, like completely, like it's risen like really up.
It's very hot over there, see?
Yeah. And when it's risen completely up as well, then you like open it up from the thing. But really, it won't come out because it has like
It's all
stuck.
steamed now.
Yeah.
This is the all setup made by Krishiv today. The second day camp setup was done by Krishiv. He just helped in filling up the air in this mattress and then in this mattress as well. This is Krishiv and Manya's bed. See, small tent house. We have 2 suitcases here. We have 2 pockets. We have fan also hanging up here and a light. Hope we had a good night's sleep today. This is our car and firework and small music system. Enjoy! We are going for an evening walk in our new campsite on day 2 and look at the view here. We are in nowhere in the jungle. Look at the tops. I love this tall trees here. Let's go inside. We are here at Lake of Two Rivers and there is a small restaurant here where you can get some groceries, snacks and some daily items. Let us enter and see. Looks like a huge store. Where is this? Oh, we have ice here. If you want to have ice is at the back. And we have some fast food item here, some chips, and here is the ice. You can buy the ice bags here and some other accessories for camping. So if you forget anything, so don't worry, you have everything here as well for the last minute things to buy. Let's explore the other side of this store. We have one restaurant here, ice cream store. Let's see what flavors we have.
Butterscotch. Oh, butterscotch.
It's a huge place. We have good menu here and lots of cupcakes and cheesecakes. And we have how many flavors? Dinner is prepared by Krishiv. Campsite. This is
I am putting Maggie in.
Maggie by Krishiv.
Is this Atta?
In the jungle. This is Atta Maggie. We have boiled the water, added masala. Yes, Krishiv? No. Just add it. हाथ से तोड़ ले. हाथ से तोड़.
Can I do one?
नहीं इसके अंदर रख के करते हैं सीधा इसके अंदर डालो.
Mama, can I do one?
डालते जाओ उबलता हुआ पानी है डालते जाओ कुछ नहीं होगा धीरे से डालो धीरे से चलो एक और डाल कृषि 2 पैकेट तू डाल के 2 पैकेट वो डाल देगा. That's it. Leave it. It will boil again. अपने आप. डाल दे पूरा पैकेट डाल दे. Oh, here you go. चलो leave it now. It will get soggy. अपने आप. Stop it. Next माने you want to add some. जल्दी कर 2 पैकेट तो डाल.
Wait, I need to wash my hands, right?
नहीं फिर हाँ. Our Maggie is getting boiled. Now we will add some butter in it. We love butter Maggie. Let's get some butter. So we are adding some butter. Our butter. Okay, so good. Our Maggie is almost ready now. It's too hot to serve. We are waiting to get it cool down. And here we are making our vegetable omelette. That looks so good. This is the vegetable omelette and Maggie for dinner on the second day of our camp. The marshmallow time, burning of our marshmallows. Here is our kids.
Literally just.
That's about
You guys not gonna. Yours is melting.
Oh, it's gone now. It will burn. It's burned.
थोड़ा सा पास रखते हैं.
Krishiv is doing the right way. Yes, Krishiv?
My breath. How did Avni do this so well?
थोड़ा सा ऊपर से हिलाओ ना इसको.
No, but then all the black charcoal is there. It has to be. Look at the fire. Took us 25 hours to get the fire. He's trying to get oxygen. It's really hard. It's going up. It's working. He has fire powers, as I said. Look at the flame. We already ate all the marshmallows.